Today, we're talking about a sunny little flower you've likely seen in gardens and salads everywhere. It's beautiful, it's edible, and it's so much more than a decoration. What if this bright little plant holds the secret to healing your skin, calming your gut, and cleansing your body's most overlooked system? Don't just admire this flower, learn how to unlock its incredible healing power, from soothing diaper rash on babies to supporting your body's natural detox process. This is Calendula officinalis, and its radiant yellow flowers are a true gift. Cultivating the gardener's delight. Growing calendula. If you're looking for a flower that gives back tenfold, calendula may be the most rewarding plant you grow. This gorgeous girl is not fussy. It's a remarkably hardy flower that starts blooming early in the season and often bravely continues as the first snows fall, giving you a continuous supply of bright, cheerful blossoms. You can simply sow the seeds directly in your garden once the danger of frost has passed. The more you pick those bright orbs of gold and yellow, the more the plant blooms, so you can be generous with your harvesting. Calendula loves full sunshine and good fertile soil, but it's so tolerant that it will do okay in poor soil as well. It will thrive if pampered and almost as well if ignored. When you're ready to pick the blossoms, you'll notice they are sticky with resin. That stickiness is a good thing, as this resin contains many of the flower's beneficial antifungal properties. This plant is a true gift that just keeps giving all season long. Medicinal magic. The gentle yet potent healer, the calendula flower, is a powerful vulnerary, which is a fancy word for a herb that helps heal wounds by promoting cell repair and growth. It is also a noted antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, making it an essential herb for your medicine cabinet. Topical uses. The ultimate skin and baby healer applied topically in a cream, salve, or oil. Calendula can help keep infections at bay and speed up healing for a wide range of skin issues, including bruises, burns, and sores, skin, ulcers, and infections, rashes, and eczema. Calendula is also a wonderful herb for babies. It is both potent and incredibly soothing and gentle. It's one of the most popular herbs for treating cradle cap, diaper rash, and other skin irritations. Calendula tea is even a useful remedy for thrush, a common type of yeast overgrowth in infants. Internal uses. Digestive and lymphatic support. Calendula tea can be used both internally and externally, as a wash or poultice to help moderate a fever, keeping it from rising too high. Its mild astringent and antiseptic properties are also helpful for treating gastrointestinal problems such as stomach ulcers, often mixed with marshmallow root, cramps, mixed with valerian or cramp bark, indigestion, mixed with peppermint, diarrhea. One of calendula's most important uses is for nourishing and cleansing the lymphatic system. The lymph system, a crucial part of your immune system, has no pump. It relies entirely on the movement of your body to circulate fluid and remove waste. If you're not stretching, dancing, or exercising, the lymph nodes can become congested and sluggish. Calendula, alone or mixed with other lymph cleansers like burdock, works to stimulate lymphatic drainage and move congestion out of the body. So, for healthy flowing lymph, drink calendula tea and get moving. The only part of the plant used for medicinal purposes is the flower. Its key constituents include carotenoids, flavonoids, mucilage, and resins. Calendula also has a perfect safety record, with no toxicity reported. You can use it with joy and ease. Recipes for healing. Turning flowers into medicine. Let's turn those beautiful blossoms into powerful remedies for your home. Calendula oil. Your all-purpose skin base. This is the foundation for many of my favorite salves and creams. For the most potent oil, pick the calendula buds when they are just opening on a dry, sunny day when the resin is strongest. The stickiness on your fingers is a good sign. To make the oil, fill a glass quart jar 3/4 full with the fresh calendula buds. Fill the jar with olive oil to within an inch of the top. Place the jar in a sunny window for 2 to 3 weeks, shaking it daily. Strain out the buds and store the oil in a cool, dark place. To use, apply calendula oil topically to skin rashes, eczema, and swollen lymph glands. It also makes a wonderful massage oil. Calendula salve. The gentle healer, this is a favorite salve among most herbalists for treating all kinds of skin problems. It's particularly fantastic for infants. You'll need 1 cup calendula oil, a quarter cup grated beeswax, 4-6 drops lavender essential oil, 1 pinch of turmeric powder for color to make the salve. Warm the calendula oil over very low heat and stir in most of the beeswax. Once it has melted, put a small spoonful of the mix on a cold plate for a minute to check the consistency. If you want it firmer, add more beeswax. If softer, add more oil. When you have the desired consistency, remove from heat, stir in the essential oil and turmeric, and pour into small jars. Let cool before sealing. This salve will keep for at least a year. To use: apply a small amount to treat skin rashes, wounds, cuts, diaper rash, or cradle cap, massaging it gently into the affected area. Rosemary's famous face cream, a luxurious treat. This rich, thick cream is one of my most famous formulas. Made with calendula oil and lavender essential oil, it's a wonderfully moisturizing and healing cream for all skin types, especially mature skin. You'll need 3/4 cup calendula oil, made with equal parts grapeseed and apricot kernel oil. For a lighter feel, cup cocoa butter, cup coconut oil, 1 tablespoon grated beeswax, a quarter cup commercially prepared aloe vera gel, 3/4 cup distilled water, a few drops of lavender essential oil to make the cream. In a saucepan over very low heat, combine the calendula oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and beeswax until melted. Let the mixture cool for a few hours until it's thick and creamy. Scrape the mixture into a blender. In a separate bowl, combine the aloe vera gel, distilled water, and lavender essential oil. With the blender on high speed, slowly drizzle the water mixture into the oil. The mixture will begin to choke the blender as it thickens and becomes a white, creamy lotion. Store in small jars. To use, apply this rich cream as often as you like. Because it's so inexpensive to make, you can use your face cream for your whole body. The Calendula lifestyle, a sunshine-filled remedy. We've unveiled the incredible and gentle power of calendula, moving it from a simple garden flower to a cornerstone of natural health. From its ability to heal skin wounds and soothe a baby's delicate skin to its crucial role in cleansing the lymphatic system, calendula is a testament to the fact that some of the most potent medicine comes in the most beautiful packages. Embracing the calendula lifestyle means recognizing that a single, beautiful flower can provide powerful, on-demand solutions for a huge range of health concerns. It's about having a living, breathing medicine cabinet that is always there for you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the first calendula recipe you're going to try, and how do you plan to use this amazing flower in your home? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.